In this video, I'm going to show you a suitable alternative to these loud ratchet straps. I'm Jeremy from Capture Outdoors. On this channel, we focus on giving you info on gear, techniques, and technology that are going to make you a better self-filmer. Some of our videos are going to be reviews on camera equipment, and others, like this one, are going to be how to improve your self-filming setup. So if this is your first time visiting the channel, consider subscribing. So an OCB, or Over-the-Center Buckle, is a suitable alternative to a ratchet strap, and this specific model was designed for ring of steps or squirrel steps for someone saddle hunting to actually step all around the tree. It's got a weight rating of about 330 pounds, which is well above what you would ever need for camera equipment. But basically, there's a hook on one end, a bar on this end. The bar hooks onto the loop, you pull the strap tight, and then cam this over, and it creates a great deal of tension and will hold up your camera arm. Now, it's about the same bulk, about the same size, about the same weight. The only difference between this and the ratchet strap is that there's no noise with this. These are about $10 for the entire setup. I'll include a link in the description if you want to go check these out. Now, I don't know if this is just due to COVID or just shipping costs around the United States have gone up incredibly, but it was about $24 total, and only 10 of that was for this strap. So relatively inexpensive. Now, if you are run and gun hunting, and you're probably only going to need one or two of these, I'd say it's well worth it. Okay, so just a word of advice, you don't have to do this, but what I did at first was I just took the strap itself and the buckle without the actual shoulder and without my camera for sure. Just went outside, played around with it on the tree a little bit, got the hang of it. You know, sometimes I put it in the wrong way or I had it orientated wrong, and doing that helped me learn how to put it in there properly so that in a real hunting situation, I could just get it up first try and not have to be fooling around with it for 20 minutes. So my word of advice, take the strap, go ahead and put it on a tree and just get the hang of it. Get used to that camming action and just understand how much tension this needs to be under before you actually attach it to your shoulder. And definitely don't practice with your camera or your camera arm. There's just too much at stake. Get the hang of it first and then work your way up step by step. The hook is facing out and away from me, but on the left side, so that when this bar latches over this hook, I'm actually going to be able to cam it over with my right hand. So you can go ahead and set this down to the side for now. Now you want to take the end of the strap, follow the inside, and with this boat buckle, the bar should be on the side with ridges. So make sure the bar is on the side with ridges. You still have the inside of the strap, here's the outside. With the inside of the strap, you're going to point this towards the ground, bar facing to the right. You're going to go with the strap in the down and out the up, and you can pull that tight. If you're really trying to condense all your gear and pack it away as efficiently as possible, then this strap is really going to work out well, especially if you have a 4th Arrow 3.0 shoulder. It looks like that, and that is super compact and ready to stow away. Couple that with the micro Talon arm that has the, gouges in them or holes in them. This thing is not taking up much space at all. And the camera that I'm using is a Canon EOS M50. It's super small, super compact. My shotgun microphone, camera, lens, they all fit in this tiny bag, and then just throw that in my hunting pack. So really, to self-film, the equipment's getting so good and so compact now, there's really no reason to have anything super bulky. So go ahead and check it out. Okay, so last thing, make sure that you are inserting this onto a relatively flat area of the tree. I don't know if you can see this, but my actual base where the talons are is bent a little bit, and that was just because I put this on a notch of a tree, and then when I cammed it over, that action actually bent this rail inward a little bit. So when you do attach this to the tree, make sure it's on a relatively flat section. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If this attachment method is going to help improve your self-filming setup, let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, drop a like, and best of luck this upcoming season.